My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, cool. So, as you can see, I am on my bike right now. It's a rainy day in California right now. On my bike. After I get finished this, I'm gonna give you another one of them early sneaker reviews. I broke my streak. If you didn't know, of not buying any shoes. I went the whole month of January and I made it to the second day of February and I bought a pair of shoes. So actually I think I got two pairs of shoes. I got the Mellows, go check that out. The review is up. And I think I picked up something else. No, you know what? No, that was the first person. Yeah, that was the first. Was it? No, it's not. I got two. Them Jordan 3 Crafts dropped, which I'm mad because I hit on sneakers for that and I see them sitting in stores. So I could just bought it from the store, but it is what it is. They should be here like Thursday, something like that. I will be doing a review for that. So going to head to the spot after I get finished doing this bike and going to give y'all this early review. Then I'm going to come back, do my bike again because gotta lose that gut, that dad bod, gotta go. So stay tuned. We're going to hit the spot right now and yeah, we'll be back. Alright, as you can see, we got the black Kobe box right there, black logo right there with his signature under it. Got the scales, as you can see, nothing new. Same old, same old. Reads Kobe 8. This is a GS shoe, grade school, white, court purple, white, size 7Y. Suggested retail price, I don't know what the kids is. I think it's like 140, maybe 160, something like that. Let's get to it. White paper. Okay. These are the court purple Kobe's right there off top. I like these. But we got let me put this back up. Boom. It's probably my thumbnail right there. We got the Kobe 8 Protro court purple. Boom, okay, as you can see, you got the Kobe 8 Protro Court Purple. They're coming out with two of these shoes. This colorway and an emerald colorway. These are the grade schools. I didn't get a chance to get my hands on the men's pair yet, but there's nothing different about it. Material's still the same. Got that Court Purple Nike swoosh right there. Got 24 and 8. Kobe's two numbers that he wore. Court purple laces, no extra laces. Got the black logo on the insole and got a court purple logo on the tongue. Got the carbon fiber on the bottom, translucent bottom. Got the Kobe logo right there. White insole, sock liner. All the majority of the shoe is white. Kobe signature right there on the back heel on the right side or left side, but yeah, I mean, all in all, it's a pretty decent shoe, nothing special, no extra laces. Like I said, they are coming out with an emerald colorway as well, which I actually like more, but I like these two. I'm on the fence about these. I know a couple Foot Lockers that is going to get the men pair. Like I said, I didn't get my hands on the men pair yet, but I wanted to give you our early review. These drop on Thursdays, the 8th. So yeah, Kobe Day. So yeah. So what y'all think about this? Y'all think it's a cop, it's a drop? Like I said, they supposed to be coming out with two pairs, but I don't know too many Foot Lockers that's getting the emerald pair. I just know the Court Purple pair. So Court Purple, Kobe Protro 8. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna give y'all some information. I'll probably show y'all some images of the emerald pair also. So Let me know what y'all think about this. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Y'all let me know. Okay, we back. Hope you enjoyed that little early sneaker review. I wish I could have got the men's pair, but it's no different from the men and the GS pair. It's nothing different about. So just want to give y'all a review on it. Now I'm gonna get some. I'm back on my bike, as y'all can see. Back on my bike, like I said I was gonna be. But anyway, give y'all some information like I always do. 2, 1. It should be up right now. This is off of kicksonfire.com. Shout out to kicksonfire.com. Whew. Okay, yeah, this is enough. I got 11 minutes left on this bike. So, okay. Anyway, just retail price $190. I think I said that in the video before this. Release date February the 8th, which I did say that. It reads, in addition to the Nike, I don't know why I always say Nike. It's Nike. In addition to the Nike Kobe 8 Protro Radiant Emerald, that's those other ones. I'm gonna show you a picture of those too. Another new colorway of the model that's set to drop in 2024 is the Nike Kobe 8 Protro Court Purple. This new colorway of the Nike Kobe 8 Protro will come dressed in a two-tone white and court purple color scheme. The sneaker starts off with a white engineered mesh upper that is thin, paired with court purple accents. These accents take care of the swoosh, logo, laces, Kobe signature on the white TPU heel counter, and most notable on the Kobe's jersey. Notable on Kobe's jersey number 8 and 24. Oh, and 2. I knew I saw 2. That's for the jersey worn by his daughter Gianna, found throughout the upper. Completing the look is a white midsole with full-length, I can't pronounce that, Lorana, and zoom air cushioning atop a semi-translucent purple outsole. Blah, blah. Yeah. Oh, so no, I didn't say the price. So the retail price for the men's is going to be $190. The retail price for the kids, the GS, what I showed y'all, it's $120, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, grade school, $120. All right, so it says, oh, but this is update number 2. It says Nike has announced that the Core Pro will release exclusively through sneakers apps for the retail price. That's not true, because just know that's not true. That's not true. They will be located at Foot Lockers. Go get on your Foot Locker app. They're in your Foot Locker app, so that's not true. I'm trying to figure out where the other ones are going to be located at. There's some more pictures for y'all. Boom. Boom, boom. Just in case you want to see some more pictures. And, oh yeah, these some clear pictures. That's the box. On feet, give you everything now. And they gave us a lot of pictures. Jesus, more pictures. So y'all can't say y'all don't know what they look like. Oh, did my phone just freeze up? Okay, anyway, let me give y'all a picture of, I'm gonna show y'all the emerald ones though. Take that out. Radiate emerald, so y'all just don't know how they look. Images. And these are the emerald ones. So, I like these a lot. I am a fan of them. Y'all let me know in the comments below which one y'all like more. GOAT already got them. As you can see, shout out to GOAT. This is the GOAT website. There you go. So basically the same shoe, of course. Let me just cut that off. Same shoe, just different colors. One is emerald. The other one is court purple. So let me know if y'all think it's a cop or drop. Me personally, I want them, but I'm on the fence about them. Like, I don't need them. I had the Kobe's that I want. Both GGs. Both Grinches. And yeah, I think that's all I got. Because I had a bunch of other Kobe's. I had all the Kobe 8 Protros. I just got rid of them. They were just sitting here. I had the EYBL ones, and I had a bunch of them. I had the ones. I had a bunch of them. I just got rid of my Kobe's. I'd rather them go to somebody that actually want them. You feel me? They were just collecting dust. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all going to pick up either one of these. I do not have any information on the emeralds. I don't know where they're going to drop, when they're going. I mean, it's supposed to drop the same day, but they're not on the Foot Locker app. They're not loaded up there, so I don't see them on sneakers either. So we gonna see. So anyway, y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Sorry for all the shaking too. It's because I'm riding, like I said, I'm riding the bike. So Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day. Whew.